Alright guys, so today we're going to install Windows 10 on this laptop. First thing we do is plug in the Windows USB. Turn on the laptop and press F12. Well, this is for Lenovo. Asus, Acer, some of them vary, but for Lenovo, F12. This menu will pop up. We're going to go to the USB and click enter. And now it's going to load up from the USB here. Once load up here, we'll click on next. Install now. Agree and continue. And we do custom install. We're not upgrading, we're going to do a fresh install. Here we're going to delete all the drives, all the partitions. Once that's done, you'll see one partition. Click on next. And we're going to let it do everything here. It's going to install everything, all the files, and then from there it's going to reboot, so we don't have to do anything at this point. Getting all the files and everything ready here. Alright, first thing we're going to do is mute Cortana, because you don't need that. Right, so once it's muted, we're going to click on next for United States. And then from here, we're going to click on next for English, for US keyboard, I guess. And then here, I don't ever put internet here so that I don't have to add an account right away. Skip this as well, you don't want this. So for I'll just put an admin for the user. I'm not gonna add a password. You can click on next if you don't want a password, or you can add one, it's fine. Here I turn all these settings off, like location, advertise ID and all that. I just turn it all off. I don't need any of this. I think it's better if you do as well. And the same with this. I don't like to use Cortana, so I turn it off as well. Just gonna let it load up. Alright, once here, the first thing I'm going to do is connect to the internet. And once that's done, I'm going to change the date and time just so that that's correct to start off. So I'm in the eastern part of Canada, or Eastern Standard Time. And from here, you're going to go to Windows Update and update Windows. While it's searching, I'll show you, you can go here to device manager. So just type in device manager in the search bar here. Click enter. And you'll see some of the drivers here that need to be installed. With Windows Update, most of these should be done. If you go to Windows Update and activation, you'll see that it's been activated already. Or you can go here to File Explorer, right click on properties, and also here I'll show you that it's activated. And these are all the drivers that are being installed now with Windows Update. So let it run, restart it a few times, double check a couple times for update. Just one thing to keep in mind is if you have Windows 10 Pro and you install Windows 10 Pro and your Windows was already activated prior to reinstalling it or formatting or whatever, it'll automatically activate with Windows 10. You don't have to re-enter the key or anything like that. It should be fine once you connect it to the internet. But if you have like Windows 10 Home and then you install Windows 10 Pro, then yeah, you'll have to get a license for the Pro to actually get it activated legit. But other than that, it's pretty straightforward. It automatically will activate if it's already had an activation of some sort of some Windows before reinstalling. So that's it for this one. See you in the next one.